This is a demo of how a bot can read information from a document and populate an Excel sheet with the information provided. Here we see the blank Excel template, which the bot is now going to populate. This is a shared folder into which multiple people can upload documents. The bot opens each form, reads it, and copies the data into the Excel template. This process is repeated for all the documents in the folder. Now, let's have a look to see whether the bot has got all the information correct. As you can see, the bot has successfully identified the only true value. As we continue the verification, we can see that the bot has compiled all the details correctly into the Excel sheet with perfect accuracy. So, as you can see, an automation bot can simplify the process of populating an Excel sheet with information from various documents.